Hello, my friends. Well, I'm a glutton for punishment. I'm going to do one more. I should be packing, but I'm going to do a companion piece to that ring pour I just did. And the more I look at it, the more I like it. So I scraped up all the paint that had tilted off the canvas in the black and white and aqua, and I stirred it together and got this nice neutral gray. So that's going to be my background color. And then again, the black, turquoise, and a little white. So I'll go ahead and put this on in front of you. Usually do this part off camera because there's no trick to it, no science, but some people like to see this part, so here we go. Oops, didn't mix that very well. Okay, then I just tilt it around. Okay. Alrighty. Now this time I'm going to start with black. I must have done white last time, first in the cup, and I ended up with that white center, so I'll go with the black center. I'm probably going to be tilting it pretty much the same way. So a good amount of black. I have more turquoise than anything. And again, I will put the recipe down below in the description box. Now pour that. Oh, no. Ooh, I meant to save some of that. I liked the blue on the edges. All black. I have to use this up so I'm not tempted to do another one. All the blue. Okay, do I have any white? Might as well throw that in there too. Okay, another ring pour. And if you're new to my channel, when I pour a fill-up cup, run it down the side, I stay away from that messy side there. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I'm just in the habit of either pouring opposite that or on the side where I already have a stripey thing going. And I think I'll do that. I think last time I poured from the front. Pretty much a straight pour this time. I think I did more of a ring thing last time, although the look is very similar. This is even easier, just a straight pour. Okay. That nice solid black is coming through. Okay. Oh, I like that. Yeah, I'm going to do the same thing. I liked the 3 negative spaces I ended up with. So here we go. To one corner and off to the middle of one of the sides. Back to the center. Oh, I like that dark stripe there. And the white stripe on the opposite side. That's cool. Look at that. It's almost the same pour. Wow. I like that too. Yeah, I got far better separation of color this time. Maybe I did thicker layers. I'll have to look. I didn't bring you in for a closer look last time. It is so similar to the last one. So I will bring you in this time. I'm going to touch that corner up with black. No, I'm going to touch it up with... No, I'm not going to do anything to it. I think I'm done with it. I think there's enough movement. I like the 3 gray areas, negative space. It's good movement. Yeah, I'm pleased. Not sure which orientation. I wouldn't do it the same as the last one, but maybe like that. Perhaps, I don't know. Anyway, let me bring you in for a closer look, and then I have got to get ready. I'm leaving at the crack of dawn tomorrow. I like the rings here. That gives a very nice depth look to it. Interesting center. Sometimes I don't like the center of ring pours, but that one's quite nice. And that's cute. Sorry about the shadow. And then I like this dark stripe here. There's not much white in it, and that's fine. I like it against the gray. I'm pleased with this. Wow, that's 2 winners in a row, folks. That doesn't happen to me very often. Okay, well, I hope you like that. And by the time you see this, I'll actually probably be back. So, see you soon. Bye now.